How to pin chats on Instagram. Hello, everybody. If you are wondering how, you can follow up the steps. So, in order to do that, you can go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you open it up, at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding chats. You can tap on it to open up your chats. Once you tap on it, here you should be finding the people you have talked with or everything under this messages. So in order to pin the message or chats on Instagram, all you gotta do is head over to the person that you would like to pin. For example, let's say this is someone who I want to pin on chats. All you gotta do is long press on them. And when you do, a menu appears. Now from the menu, select the first option that says pin. Tap on it. And when you do, you'll be finding a pin icon right beside their profile, which means the chat has been pinned. So that is it. That is how you pin chats on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.